Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you will all happy. So today we will start. The topic is business risk, right? So before explaining anything, we would like to know what is business risk. Actually, business risk is connected with the uncertainty in the futures, right? So kindly see here. So business risk basically related with uncertainty, with uncertainty about future. So business risk basically related with the uncertainty about the future, or you can say, in other words, it is related with the less profit, right? So in other words, in other words, you can say business risk is a related with regular loss, or you can say less profit. So business risk is about regular. So student, in other words, business risk is related with regular loss, or you can say less profit, right? So now we will discuss the nature of business risk. Okay, what kind of nature this business risk has? We will explain it. That is nature of business risk. Nature of business risk. So student, the first is business risk arises due to uncertainty. Number one, it arises due to uncertainty. So it arises due to uncertainties. We know very well the future is uncertain. We cannot predict in advance. So anything may be happen in the futures, like change in demand, government policy, technology factors. If these all factors are changed, then it resultant loss will come in our business. So it arises due to the uncertainty. Any of the uncertainty came into the business and it will give the biggest loss to the business, right? Second is, risk is essential part of every business. Second, it is the part of every business. It is a part of every business, right? Student, risk is important characteristics of business. No business can avoid the risk, although the degree of the risk may vary, right student? So risk is related with every business. No business, right, can escape from the risk. So risk is available in every business, right? The third nature is, that is the degree of risk. Degree of risk depends upon nature and size of business. Student, we know very well, if we running the business which has large scale, large operations are there, large activities are there, then the chances of happening the loss is greater. If we are running small business and we are taking or we are doing very less activities, then the risk is very less. And last is profit is the reward of bearing the risk. Profit is the reward of bearing the risk. Fourth, nature is profit is the reward. Profit is the reward of bearing risk. Bearing risk. Student, you must have the knowledge. If the risk level is higher in any business, then there is a great profit. The chances of profit will high. If risk is less, then the chances of profit is also less. So profit is a reward of bearing risk. If we taking more risk, we will get the more profit. So profit is a reward of risk. Now we will start the causes of business risk, right? Let me start the causes of business risk. So student, there are four causes of the business risk. That is natural causes, human causes, right? Natural causes, human causes, economic causes, or physical causes. Let me explain one by one. Firstly, we will discuss about the natural causes, right? So nature is an independent phenomena and human beings have no control over it. Like natural calamities like earthquakes, flood, drought, famine, etc. Okay, resulted the big loss in our business. ठीक है, और these effects our business in lot. The natural causes are such type of uncertainty factor that human being cannot make any preparation against. So human being cannot save from the natural causes. So natural reasons will come automatically. So we cannot predict it when they will come. So natural causes give us a big loss. So natural causes include, that is, flood and drought and famine. Now we will discuss the human causes. Human causes are related to a chance of loss due to human being or employees of the organization. The dishonesty of the employees, right? Or employees may leak the secret information to the competitors. It will bring a great loss to us. This is the human causes. So under human causes, dishonesty is there. dishonesty or leak the secret information, leak the secret information, leak the secret informations, right? Or commit fraud. So these are the human causes. Let me start the economic causes. So economic causes are related to a chance of loss due to the change in market competitions, right? So there are the price fluctuations, or there is change of taste or preferences of the customers. So these all will give heavy loss to us. So economic causes, that means it included price fluctuation. Second is taste or preferences, if change in customer, right? So degree of competition, so these all are included in the economic causes. Now last we will discuss the physical causes. So all the causes which result in damage of assets are considered as a physical causes. So change in technology, under it, change in technology. So due to change in technology, our machine become useless or outdated. So change in technology, one of the important factor, and you can say last is accident to employee, right? Or mechanical defect. So it include mechanical defects. So change in technology or due to the mechanical defects, our machines or our assets become useless. Students, I hope you will understand well about the meaning of business risk and the causes of business risk and those factors which we discuss and which affect the business badly. Student, thank you for joining the video. Next video you will see the introduction of the next lesson. Thank you.